Hi everyone, my name is Lorraine. Welcome to my Lucid review. I'm gonna be taking you guys inside the members area to watch, to take a sneak peek at this product because it's gonna be launching April 24th, this Saturday. So I'll start by giving you basically a demo of what it's in here so you can make a decision of whether or not you would like to purchase this product. So let's go. This is the sales page for Lucid. And in a nutshell, Lucid is basically a product that will provide you a training and a system for you to drive traffic from social media to your business, be it your personal brand, your YouTube channel, your website, be it physical products being sold online or service products being served online. This product is basically to provide you a training on how to leverage social media overall to drive traffic to your business. So as you can see here on the sales page, the vendors give a quick guideline of what the product does. So it provides free traffic to on complete autopilot. You can set it up once, continue getting traffic. It's completely newbie friendly. Obviously, I've tried it myself, so I know, but it's basically, again, a training that is completely newbie friendly with a lot of opportunity to scale up. It works with any niche because, honestly, in social media, you can work with any niche, even the ones that probably nobody's thought of so far. It works, okay? You can, as long as there are people out there interested in that niche, it works, okay? It's the easiest way to get traffic, and as I said, it's a step-by-step training that is going to show you how to leverage social media. The best part is that they have world-class support, and it has a 60-day money-back guarantee. Like, that is so important because we all know, like, nowadays with so many things on the internet out there, we want to have a guarantee to have our money back instead in case something doesn't work out, so or something's not delivered as promised. But they have so much confidence in their product that they give you a guarantee here. So yeah, I'll take you inside the members area. But before that, I just wanted to say, like, it's really cool actually that they got case study reviews here, and also if you come here inside of the members area, which is this is how it looks like. Right here, you actually have real people proof that this system works, which is pretty cool because like it's very important for us to buy something and know that it actually works. We have actually seen that it has worked with someone. And before I go into this, I just wanted to tell you that if you decide that you want to purchase Lucid through my link down in the description below, you get my free bonuses included with the price. Basically, you don't have to pay anything as long as you get it through my link. You get bonuses, which is honestly a bargain for you. You get more out of what they were already offering you. So this offer is live for the next 4 days because it's really only going to be live for 48 hours because the product is launching Saturday the 24th, and this bonus offer expires Monday the 26th. So just so you know. And yeah, basically with the product, there are some upsells for people that are wanting to take it to the next level, but it's completely beginners friendly. Like just the product itself is already good enough. For if so, like only if you're interested, then you can consider maybe upgrading it. But honestly, just the base of it, I'm gonna show you the base. But if you go to my link, basically you get a tutorial on how to explode your YouTube channel. Obviously, YouTube is big nowadays for personal branding for businesses. Like YouTube is the game right now. So you get a free bonus tutorial on how to explode your channel. And again, this is completely free, okay? I'm not asking you to do anything more here or to pay anything more. You also get training on Facebook traffic hacks and how to turn that into cash making systems that obviously is gonna bring you in a couple hundred a day if the work is implemented. And again, there is another bonus here, which is basically utilizing Instagram Market to boost your sales. And it's an ebook that is like easy to follow. You can just literally just read it and get extra insights apart from what Lucid is already offering. So there's just like the little cherry on top, you know. Yeah, and obviously there are the bonuses that the vendors themselves are offering that you also get with my bonuses if you click on the link below. So yeah, before further ado, let's check out what's inside. So again, this is the members area of Lucid. As you can see, it's very well structured. This method that they implemented. Actually, Lucid was founded by Ashley and Betty, and Betty actually implemented this method on herself with Ashley's help, and then it worked. And because it worked, she's a living proof, she's a living case study that this method worked. So she's making money, you can make money too. And yes, and she's basically showing you how to do it just like she did it, which I feel like is pretty cool. It's like she's already a case study herself. And as I said, there's like this part here just on case study, and yeah, you get to see basically this is how it is. You have like a little bit of a introduction to Lucid here, like an they'll give you information about the course overall, and then they talk a little bit about the free training, how it started, what it can do for you, and then here you got more introduction. Betty herself is delivering it, as I told you. Jumping into model 1, you can see that first thing is already like utilizing hashtags and like knowing how to use hashtags nowadays. Like I know I'm telling you that because I'm in social media myself. I've been in social media for years now, and like hashtags are so important. And so many people have this misconception that if you use these hashtags that are like super popular, oh, I'm gonna blow up because like they're so popular, everyone's gonna watch it. But not necessarily, because there's a lot of competition in those hashtags, and it's about knowing how to leverage the big, the small, the medium hashtags, and that is exactly what Betty shows us here. So that's exactly what this first module of Lucid is about. So I think it's pretty cool. I found it pretty cool, actually. Then module 2 goes about talking about the link in the bio. So obviously, if you want to drive traffic from social media, you gotta drive traffic to a page somewhere, right? And that starts with the link in your bio. And sometimes it's all about knowing how to leverage the link in your bio. For example, like she goes on and talking here about how you can use these two platforms, Linktree and Beacon, which basically means that you have a link. Let's say you have a link. Okay, let's give an example here. Let's say you have a link and you click this link, and that link is going to lead you to, sorry, okay, I'll just use this part as an example. That link is going to lead you to like this link to my Facebook page, this link to my website, this link to my Instagram, and this link to my, I don't know, my sales page. And then the person basically gets to choose where they can go next. It's like I don't know, like a guide, should I say. The beginning link would be like a guide and a little bit of a map to show you every single part of your brand. Okay, and then she shows how to utilize that here. Me personally, I believe that having less links is better, because then it keeps people having to make less decisions is just going to be more focused and more inclined to actually click on that button. But she goes on and explaining how you can leverage it and actually make it work, instead of you just going on and trying by yourself, which is pretty cool. Then she goes on and talk about how you can get professional videos and images online, especially with people that are afraid to get on camera, afraid to put themselves out there, or not really afraid, just don't want to do it. You just simply don't want to do it. And there are so many free resources out there that she basically shows here how to use those free resources to create a brand, create a niche, which I find that is super cool, honestly, because not everyone is comfortable being on camera, and that's okay. Module 4, she goes all about monetizing your posts. So utilizing the content that is getting engagement, that is getting our followers excited, to monetize it. And in here she even goes about how you can use ClickBank, which is basically a platform for affiliate marketers, where you can get products with your link. Imagine people go to your post, they click on your link, they purchase that product through you, then they get a commission out of it, which is pretty cool. So she goes on about how you can monetize your posts using ClickBank. Again, it's something that can make you a couple hundred, and you can even scale it up to more a day. So really, like, you're getting a bargain out of the price of this thing for what they're delivering, as long as you're willing to put in the work, which I feel like is only fair. Module 5, she talks about CPAs. Basically, CPAs are it's affiliate marketing as well, but instead of being you asking your customers to purchase a product, you're just basically asking them to fill in a questionnaire, fill in a survey, and you get commission if they end up doing it. And this is actually so much better, because you're not asking them to open up their wallet and swipe up their credit card or put their information online. None of that. Like, they don't need to do anything. They don't need to spend anything. It's completely free. All you're asking them to do is to complete something. And if you get them to do a CPA to you, you get a commission, which is like top notch. And she goes on about explaining again how you can utilize that to drive traffic and to get to make a couple bucks, a couple $100, I want to say, yeah. So module 6, she gets to the organization part, which is so important, because sometimes we buy courses and we don't know where to start. There's so much information. We don't know where to do this, what to do that. Like, where do we start? Where is A and where is Z? Like, sometimes we just buy a course and we feel like we land in L and we don't know how to go backwards or how to go forward. And here, she breaks it down and she helps you get organized, helps you get started, which is so important. Module 7, she goes on about Instagram. And, like, if you haven't been living under a rock, you know Instagram is big. Instagram is big. If you can leverage Instagram to your business, you can blow up, okay? Instagram, obviously, depending on, some niches are stronger than others, but, like, overall, if we can utilize social media overall, like, it's just amazing. So she goes about breaking down how you can use feeds, how you can use stories, reels, how you can, like, use Instagram to your advantage to drive traffic to whatever it is you want your traffic to, and to buy or to purchase or to follow. um like the possibilities are endless here. So yeah, she goes about that. Module 8, she goes about TikTok, and I love TikTok. Okay, I love TikTok. I'm using TikTok myself, and I've already been through these modules myself. But TikTok is big right now, and TikTok is just like scratching the surface. It hasn't even reached the fullest potential that is capable of. Like TikTok is such a big opportunity for businesses out there. As long as you're willing to be raw, as long as you're willing to show passion, as long as you're willing to connect to your customers or to your followers in a more personal basis, TikTok has so much opportunity for growth. Like if you wanting to promote your YouTube channel, your brand, your personal brand, if you want to start a business, or if you already have an established business and you want to connect with your customers, TikTok is such a big way. As long as you raw again, and you pour, and you're genuine, like it's just amazing. So yeah, and she goes about how to use TikTok to your advantage, which is like, again, possibilities endless. So yeah, it's like this course is so good. And yeah, and she goes here on the conclusion. So what's next after you've gone through all of this? There are opportunities later to upgrade for other things that are gonna take basically all these things that, and then just deliver it to a whole nother level. But again, like I just think that this on its own is already so powerful. So I'm not even gonna go into the upgrades here. But yeah, and here you can also have access to the bonuses that I told you about before, which is the vendor bonuses. And then if you get it through my link, you also get these bonuses and my bonuses, which is like really getting your money's worth here, like way beyond your money's worth. Honestly, this is like investing in yourself. And these bonuses are completely free. Well, complimentary to the price of the training. So I just think that this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. If you really want to change your life, I think that it's a good bargain, honestly. And I'm being completely genuine right now, because you totally you totally get your money's worth in here. Plus, it comes with a bunch of bonuses, and yeah, just I'd I'd take advantage, man. I'll take advantage. Or a woman. Yeah. So thank you for watching my Lucid review. I'm gonna wrap up this video here. Please stay tuned. I'm gonna be reviewing more products in the future. So like, comment, subscribe, uh, ring the bell, and yeah, I'm gonna be dropping more reviews soon. So bye bye, guys.